Today, we will discuss Search and Elasticsearch. Because both systems are built to conduct full text searches, users may locate pertinent information in text documents. Strong APIs are provided by Search and Elasticsearch, enabling developers to incorporate their search capabilities into a range of systems and applications. Now let's examine the main features of these two platforms. Search was designed with simplicity and use in mind, with an emphasis on offering a quick and pertinent search experience right out of the box. Search mainly concerned with offering a top-notch search experience for applications that interact with users, such as search as you type interfaces and e-commerce websites. Search makes it simpler to get started by providing minimal settings and sensible defaults. Elasticsearch offers a wide range of use cases. This intricacy may result in a more challenging learning curve. Elasticsearch, adaptable, ideal for large-scale applications needing log analysis, real-time analytics, and complicated queries. Elasticsearch needs a lot of setup to maximize relevance and performance. All in all, if you require a strong, scalable, and adaptable search engine for log analysis, real-time analytics, or sophisticated applications, go with Elasticsearch. If you value speed, ease of use, and an innovative search experience for user-facing applications, go with Search.